What's up? It's your boy Suave Dog with Perfect Touch Auto Glass, and today we're working on a 2022 Toyota RAV4 for ADAS calibration. I'm going to take you through the steps on how to calibrate. We're going to do a pre-scan, then we're going to replace the windshield, then we're going to calibrate, then we're going to do a post-scan, and I'm going to take y'all through the steps, and we'll get this done. So here we are, and we're ready to do our pre-scan. I already set up the calibration machine and plugged in the VCI into the portal. Now, once you plug in the customer's personal information, it's going to go ahead and do a pre-scan, and it's going to let us know. It's going to give us a baseline where the current vehicle is at. Right now, this thing got a lot of DTCs. Just ringing on up. 12 of them bad boys. So far, 13. Yeah, you basically just let the scanner do its thing. And then you want to take a photo. So let's go take a photo real quick. So once you get the photo, just press OK. Press finish. And we want to go to next. You can save the report, but I usually do it at the end. You're going to press next. Please show the following conditions are met. Ignition on, engine off. Then let you know after the windshield is replaced or repaired, the camera unit calibration is required. Yes, this we all know. And then I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, there we go. And with some Toyota, it's going to ask you to do a dynamical calibration or static calibration. Most people prefer dynamic, but me personally, I really don't like to drive customers' vehicle because you just really don't know how people's vehicles drive. So I'm going to go with static. That's just me, you know. Do you? If it offer dynamic, it's easier and quicker. I'll tell you that much, but I like the challenge. And we're replacing the windshield. So it's going to ask me, which one do I want to use? I'm going to use the calibration in sequence, so I'm going with B. So I'm going to need target board 15. And right here at this point, I already know what I need. I know I'm going to need target board 15. And all this other stuff is just miscellaneous stuff that's needed for the calibration. So right here, I'm going to cut the vehicle off. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the windshield. So we're going to...
What it do? Schwab it out. Owner, operator, chief executive officer. Locally known for Richmond and surrounding metropolitan area. You contact me, I contact you, and if the money right, Perfect Touch on site. Affordable, mobile, superior services. You can ask anybody. Who's the best? He's the best. I'm the best. Schwab and Ivy. Yes, I go live. Tune to the channel. Check out my handle. What it do? Schwab and Ivy. Owner, operator, chief executive officer. Locally known for...
So, once you replace the windshield, I know I need the target board and all these accessories right here. We're going to go ahead and press OK. Then it's going to go into the whole setup procedure. You got to make sure nothing is within this view right here. Then it tells you about the whole calibration process. So we want to go to setup. So you're going to need the chalk line, find the centerpiece in the rear and in the back. And then I'm going to pause right here while I set up. So once you find your center point, and want you to use the 5-point laser and all that other good stuff, but I don't use it. Same thing with the rear. If you do decide to use, I only use the 5-point laser and stuff when I'm doing Nissans and stuff. And you just put the 5-point laser in the front, get the blah 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 laser, beam it, hook it, find the center point. That's all that's really for. And then we want the distance of 46.81 inches or 1189 millimeters on the ruler. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're moving on. Yep. So I already got that set up. We already got that set up, but the height isn't adjusted yet. So go. Go. And 1350. So let's go put this on 1350. So we at 1350. Yep. Should have put my what I didn't do, and I normally do when I do Toyotas, I put that that barrier on the backside. Let's see what we can do without it. Let's see if the junk ping without it. If it doesn't ping, I'm gonna put the barriers up. It's locking in its measurements. Yeah. Let's go, Kibosabi. So now we gotta switch it to the left side, 550. So we're here on the left. Now let's go to the right. Now we set up on the right. So let's go with it. Doing the thing. I see that. Calibration successful. So we just letting it run through. Now we're gonna do a pre-scan. I'm gonna go ahead and run a post-scan. I meant. Let it run through. It should present all those DTC. We had like 13, between 13 and 16 earlier. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Cause you wanna always get a customer back their vehicle better than what it was when you got it. Yes, I want to take a photo. So let's go take a photo. So once you take the photo, press OK. Finish. And we want to erase all this real quick. A quick erase of all them daggone DTCs. We want that thing green and clear. So once that's complete, I'm gonna go to next. You want to save this data, email a copy to your customer. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through. And y'all, we got to complete. So we want to report this. So that's basically about it, yo. So I'm done with this 2022 Toyota RAV4 hybrid windshield replacement and calibration. Thank you.